Coaches, ever had a payment held for review and wondered if it's going to reach your account? Stripe flags coaching programs more often than you might think. This quick search shows what Stripe's pending or on hold funds look like on example dashboards. Many coaching businesses only notice this after a payment is delayed, which can interrupt cash flow and planning. EasyPay Direct gets you direct bank approvals specifically for coaching businesses. You also get recurring billing, hosted checkout, and chargeback mitigation, ensuring your payments reach you on time without unnecessary holds. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out today to protect your coaching payouts. With EasyPay Direct, your coaching payments are stable and reliable. Click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started today.